Did you know there's one book that tells the entire story of humanity from the very beginning to the very end? It starts in a perfect garden where the first man and woman lived without any problems. But one bad choice changed everything forever. They ate fruit they weren't supposed to eat and got kicked out of paradise. Their son Cain became the world's first murderer when he killed his brother Abel out of jealousy. Things got so bad that God had to flood the entire world, saving only Noah and his family. Then came Abraham, who left everything to follow God's voice. His grandson Jacob had 12 sons, including Joseph, who became a ruler in Egypt. But the family ended up as slaves for 400 years until Moses led them out with amazing miracles, like splitting the Red Sea in half. Judges and prophets guided them for centuries until Jesus was born. He died on a cross but came back to life 3 days later. The story ends with a final battle between good and evil where Jesus wins forever.